Hi, this is Jim with ProfitTrading.com. We're going to take a look at a few markets. Now, here's the trades that I'm mainly looking at for the premium newsletter right now because I think these markets are some of the clearest markets on what's going on right now. Sometimes the markets get kind of choppy, and um, you try to figure out what they're doing, and you really can't figure it out. And there's nothing wrong with that because sometimes the markets just aren't clear. But this natural gas looks to be pretty clear. It's in a strong up move, and then right now it looks like it's making a counter trend correction. So what we did in the premium newsletter, we bought right in here, and then we held all the way up here, and we got out around 4.4, and then now this is making a counter trend correction. So I'm going to look for a low in here, and then if this turns around and puts in a buy signal, I'm going to look to go long in the premium newsletter. So I think this looks like if you follow Elliott Wave, this is like a 1, 2, 3, and it's making a fourth wave now, and I expect it to trade higher than a fifth wave high. Fibonacci, if you put a Fibonacci at that pivot low and go up to this pivot high, right in this area is 50 to 60% retracement. And if you look back on the chart, this big kind of wider range bar here where it kind of took off from the base, that would be a natural support area. So I'm looking for this to come down in this area. This is the June contract. If we do trade natural gas, we'll probably be going out to like August because natural gas is getting close to the end on here on June by the time we get in it anyway, because I want to see the market come up and turn before I go long. So natural gas is one we're looking at going long. And if you want to get in any of these trades with the premium newsletter, just sign up through my email, and you can get these trades. Now, orange juice, here's another one. This looks like it's in a clear bull swing. Right now it looks like it's making a counter trend, kind of a bull flag correction. And that's the thing, we just follow these markets day by day. Like if orange juice were to just collapse from here, then we wouldn't be looking to go long anymore. But right now, this looks like it's a counter trend correction. The bulls and bears put mostly green bars in, and now it's the bulls and bears is putting yellow bars in. That means neutral. And if this turns back higher and the bulls and bears goes on green bar, I'll probably go long orange juice. And this is another one. We went long right here. We got out up here, so that was a nice trade for us in the premium newsletter. Now we're out, and we're just going to wait and see what happens. It looks like it's making a bull flag channel there, and it looks like it's going to head higher again. If it doesn't do what we think, then we just won't get in. Sugar, I think this has made a bottom. MACD is making a bullish divergence. These arrows are MACD buy signals. And I just basically think sugar's heading higher from here. Today was an inside bar. Again, I'm not going to buy until it proves that it's going to go higher. So I'll need a little more action before I go long sugar, but I'd be looking to go long sugar right in here somewhere. And that would make sense because that would be about right when it's breaking out through this resistance area here. So we're looking to get long sugar, and again, if you want that trade, sign up for the premium newsletter. If that happens, again, if sugar takes off to the downside from here, then we won't be getting long. But right now, I think this has made a low, and who knows? It might just be a rally up a little bit, a counter trend correction rally, or it could be the start of a new big bull move up. So we just go long, and then we see where the trade takes us from there. Soybeans, here's one we're short in the premium newsletter. I think this is going to break lower. Again, we're just waiting to see. We got our stop. We're short. We got our stop, and we're just going to have to wait and see. It could go higher, but then we just get stopped out if it does. But I think this looks like a clear downtrend, and this reversal bar here was probably a rally top. And then this is probably like just a sideways consolidation before another break lower. That's what I'm hoping happens. Whether it does or not, but if it moves above this high, then we'll be getting out of the trade around this area here. Our stop's up here. So right now I'm expecting, now if this little support area breaks, that's good for our bearish trade. And then if this were to break, that would be good. Then lower prices, we'd look down to about 13. Well, it looks like about 13.06 there. So just around 13 a bushel would be our first place to look for a move down here. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening to my video. This is Jim with ProfitTrading.com.